All right. The question for today: to die or not to die? Do you want to look like this guy, Dennis Rodman? He's dyed his hair. Shall we dye our hair like that? Maybe we want it like this. Maybe we want it like this. Maybe green today. Maybe you just like it kind of mottled. No, that's not what we're going to do. Today we're going to do more of a platinum blonde style, kind of like Christina. You can see here, totally no color in the hair. They've removed all the pigment. The classic platinum blonde Marilyn Monroe. Yes, folks, today we are going to see if we can get some blonde hair like this. Hello, everybody. You've all been sent home because it's icy out, but here I am, making a lab just for you. We're going to look at the hair treatment with hydrogen peroxide lab today. This is just the basic procedures. First, you need your safety glasses. Number 2, you're going to get 3 swatches of hair. Kind of depends on how I did it, but they look something like this. This was a fairly long one. Some of them are shorter and fatter. They are all different sizes. It does not mean anything. I probably ought to cut these in half, but I didn't. Oh well. Some of them are darker. Some of them are, I have a couple that were red, but I don't know if they were colored or not. So it's going to be an adventure, but I think your 3 swatches you're going to get are all from the same person. So cross your fingers. All right, so you get 3 swatches of hair. Step 3, you're going to use the following procedure. Secure one end of each hair swatch with an elastic band. That's been done. Wear protective gloves. So we're going to have, here's our hand. And you're going to get gloves for mixing. And then we're going to mix the lightener. It says to mix it in a bowl, but we're going to use a weigh boat. Okay, you're going to use, it says 2 tablespoons. Okay, so we'll have 2 spoonfuls of the powder. And then we'll have in the weigh boat, we'll add about the same amount of the developer. One developer is 20, volume 20, and the other is volume 40. And we'll start with the volume 20 first. All right. Step 4, you're going to lay the hair swatch on a piece of aluminum foil. Step 5, you're going to apply the mixture to the hair swatch with the stiff brush. Okay, so here's our hair, and we have a brush, and you have your mixture, so you'll dip it in the mixture, just kind of like, oh, I had one. Where'd I put my brush? I'll be right back. So you have your hairbrush, or your brush, where am I? There. And it'll be on your paper, and so you'll put the stuff on it, get it good and saturated, and then we're going to let it sit for 20 minutes. So that would be step 5 here. And step 6, 20 minutes. Okay? After 20 minutes, we'll rinse the hair in the faucet. There's our hair swatch. And then we'll dry it. Now, we're not going to have hair dryers. What I'm going to have you do is just get a piece of paper towel and blot it on the paper towel. And then we'll repeat it with the 40 volume of the peroxide. So again, you'll have 2 tablespoons of the powder and then 2 tablespoons of the 40 volume. Mix them together and put it on the hair and blah, blah, blah. You know how to do that. Make sure you've labeled everything. I want you to take a picture of your hair. And then for step 11 in your notebooks, describe your 3 hair swatches. All right, that's it.